Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by signing into OneDrive. Make sure it's the correct account. Once signed in, create a new folder or select an existing one you want to share. Next, click the folder's Share button so you can set permissions, choose Can Edit if collaborators will modify files, or Can View if it's read-only. This approach lets you control access from the outset. Once the link settings are ready, move to generating and distributing the invite. Now configure the link and permissions carefully. Pick anyone for broad access, people in your organization for internal sharing, or specific people for tight control. Make sure to toggle editing on or off depending on collaborators' needs, and set an expiration or password when extra security is required. After setting options, add recipient emails to send direct invites or copy the generated link to paste into chat or email. This ensures you match convenience with the right level of security. Finish by confirming recipients actually have access. Ask one person to open the folder and try a basic action like viewing or editing a file. If they can't, change the link type to specific people or resend the invite, and make sure you didn't restrict by organization accidentally. If sync problems occur, check the OneDrive client status and clear browser cache or sign out and back in. These steps resolve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.